What's up, guys? It's me, 7th Period Comics. I'm here on the screen, your screen. If I asked you if I'm 2D, you'd say yes. And you're right, but what if I wasn't? What if I was 3D, or even 4D? Whoop. You're 3D. You have an X, a Y, and a Z axis. That's 3 whole axes. Axes? But we're thinking in 4 dimensions, guys. So, Z is the last letter. What would we name the 4th dimension? I don't know. I'm just a YouTuber. But, in my mind, if everyone was 2D, then the Y-axis would be called the Z-axis. Because all we could comprehend was the Y-axis. So, that's why I think the 4th dimension would actually be called the Z-axis, and 3D would be called the Y-axis, and so on. Next transition. There is something that frustrates me a lot, and that's when people say the 4th dimension is time. It makes no sense. You're telling me that for the first 3 dimensions are all spatial, and then we go to time? That makes no sense. I just realized you probably don't know what spatial crap I'm talking about. So basically, spatial means it takes up space. So, like, 2D, it wouldn't be that much space to you, but it's kind of like a piece of paper. It's still physical. If you were to pick up a 2-dimensional thing as a 2-dimensional person, it would be a physical object. So that's basically what it means. The thing about 4 dimensions being time, it's just makes no sense. You can't pick up, like, time. Obviously, a 3D person wouldn't be able to pick up anything that's 4D. But what I am saying is that technically you can't pick up specifically what time is talking about, because time alters things instead of things being altered in the perspective of a 3-dimensional person looking at the 4D slice. So, yeah. This transition's much shorter. But why is it cool? As you can see in the title, obviously. Well, to help with that, I brought my 4D friend, John, to help. So, John, here is the question on everyone's mind. What is the 4th dimension? Ah, I see. Interesting. So, unfortunately, I have no idea what you just said, because your sound works differently. Transition! That's my next thought. How would time work in the 4th dimension? Seeing as we are 3D, would our sound waves be the same as how many spatial dimensions we have? Does sound waves take up any spatial dimensions? I don't know. It's the end of the video, and I just kind of thought about this while I was writing the script. If you have any ideas on how sound waves would work in the 4th dimension, comment down below immediately. Okay, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. This is something I really like doing, specifically about the 4 dimensions thing. I am planning on making a different one about some other cool things, sort of related to things we can't really perceive. But this is just kind of fun for me, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe. If you want to watch, like, storytime animations, I have those on my YouTube channel too. It should be, you should see them or something like that. Anyway, goodbye. Have a good day.